In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make a camber gauge to do your alignment on your car or truck. You're going to need the tape measure, one pencil, two zip ties, one level, and a piece of wood or a piece of metal. In this case, we're going to use wood. You're going to use your tape measure and measure the inside of the ring. It's 21 inches. The next step is measure and cut our wood and mark the center. Now we use our zip ties. We put it through the wood. Like that. And we slide it all the way to the center where we mark it. Right there. We tie it down. Like that. Now we check our back tires for level. Put it against the ring. You can see the bubble there is right in between the lines. And now we move to the front. You can see the difference, the bubble. It needs to move, the top of the tire needs to move to the outside. See, to make it, it's like needs to move like a quarter of an inch. See the movement on the bubble right here? It moves. If I move the top to the outside, it's gonna be right there. So now that we know the alignment is bad, in my case, I have to lose this nut and this one and bring like a quarter of an inch to the outside, both of this, so it'll be level again. This and this. So this is final product, camber gauge for your alignment. You can make it from home, easy. You can make this in 5 minutes and it works. Thanks for watching.